So sekarang kita nak tahu pengalaman seram daripada Dr. Hema kita.
I won't tell the hospital name, but I will tell lah when I was like in housemanship in Malaysia lah. One of the largest hospital in Selangor. I ambil tempat nursing yang paling hujung kat belakang, and I sit peacefully and I'm so tired. Suddenly opposite of me there is a cabin yang 4 patient budak-budak yang boleh duduk dalam tu lah. I thought the patients can run, so playful in the midnight around 2 or 3 o'clock. I saw a cute little boy, I don't know, Japanese boy or Chinese boy, I don't know, someone like that. And then he was like playing peekaboo with me. I have no energy to run around him, but I just waved to him, hi, hello, bye-bye. Sambil I bought my new patient punya clucking. When I start to do my rounds, then only I realised dalam bilik tu ada 4 patient, budak-budak, tapi no one is in a conscious level, tak sadar. And tak boleh jalan, tak boleh lari. So that time, I was finding for that little cute boy who waved to me, who was running around in front of me. But then when I finished my rounds, I asked my staff nurse, kakak, siapa budak yang lari sini, lari sana ya, yang ketawa-ketawa all. Then only my staff nurse said, oh, you nampak ke doktor? Selalunya orang nampak tu, ada someone je yang akan dapat. So I saw, it was like a nightmare for me. I won't forget my first on-call in my pit ward.
You guys, korang boleh bagi tahu seram ke tak, dan korang ada tak cerita seram lagi?